Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jeromekeys Music. So I want to teach you what I was just playing now. I know you know this song because it's very popular. It's a very popular song. So I just want to teach you this trumpet freestyle I created that you can use while playing the song. It just goes like this. I'm playing on F sharp. But for those of you that is not familiar with F sharp, I'll be calling out the notes and I'll also do the breakdown on key F. I'll do the breakdown on key F also, but now I'm doing the breakdown on F sharp. So after I'm done with F sharp, I'm going to do the breakdown on key F. So it goes like this. From the beginning I was playing so do ti la so. That is so do ti la so. Then your re fa la, my re fa la on F sharp. Your re fa la on F sharp. So the re fa la goes like this. That is so do ti la so. You first of all go to your do mi so. This is my do mi so. So the do mi so will take you to your re fa la now. Re fa la now. Understand? So you strike your do mi so once, go. So do ti la so, go. This is my do mi so. This is my re fa la. Yeah. Then the other one you enter your so do, that is so do, then so ti, that is and that is do ti so. It's supposed to be do ti so la fa mi so. But I'm using two chord. Like so do it goes like this. Like this. Hope you are getting it. Do ti so la fa mi so. There you go. Mi so la ta. After do ti so la fa mi so. Go to your mi so la ta la so. Mi so la ta la so. Then da da tam do ti so la fa mi so la ta la so. Okay, you go so do ti la so. Guys, your re fa la here, then mi so ti here. Guys, just how it goes. That's this way. Hope you are getting it. Mi so la ta la so. Then you re fa la them. Then do ti so la fa mi. There you go. Mi so do so la ta. You just be tapping your notes. This one is fa mi so, but I'm using chord. That is re fa la here, mi so, then do mi so here, then mi so do here. So this is just what I was playing. Let me just take it again. So do 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 till I saw. Ta 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 ta. There you go. So that is what I was playing. So let me just do the breakdown key F, so that for those of us that is familiar with F can also get it. Just go, does the same way. So do 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 till I saw. It's just the same way I'm playing it on F sharp. Just apply the same chord, then it will sound the same way. So hope you are getting it now. Hope you have gotten it. So that is also what I was playing. You can use it when you want to start the song, or when the singer just allow you to solo, you can also use it that way. So you can just be doing different type of what you can do there. So So thanks for watching, friends. Please make sure you subscribe, like and share. Like and share. Also, any song you want me to do the breakdown, just comment the song below. I'll try and do the breakdown. God bless you all. See you on my next video.